Yeah. Raise what? Raise fucking Lazarus. Oh, you mean, what did I say? Cannon fodder? No, I look, care what? I said it. Forces? What forces? Oh, Gordon. Don't get me singing that punky song, was it? Gordon is a... No, I don't mean that. Gordon's doing his bit. He's seen his chance, he's gone for it. So they can take security for the country gradually. This is bullshit, man. This is all bullshit. You know what they should say? The planet is going through massive changes. It might get drastically worse, or it might get fantastically better. We don't know, but maybe we should all think about hedging our bets. Instead of some fucker saying, well, I suppose, you know, a tiger does what a tiger does. It goes after pigs or whatever it goes after. So a tiger's not going to really say, hey, look, I'm a tiger, I don't want to eat you. So I can understand them gangster fuckers thinking, like, they want to eat everyone. So, but if they're tigers and they're going to eat all the pigs, you know, metaphorically speaking, I'm a fucking dragon. And I'm going to eat them fucking tigers. That's what they do, that's what they do, that's what we do. The liquid crew. what they do. That's what we do. That's what they do. That's what we do. That's what we do.